everybody, my name is Jamie and welcome to my channel, The Minimalist Mom, where I share my own personal stories, product reviews, and pretty much cover any topic I feel is important. Today I'm covering something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm going to show you how I make my son's top 3 favorite homemade baby foods. Now, if you didn't already know this, it's really important to introduce your infant to 1 new solid per week. This way you can monitor any allergic reactions. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. This is how you make pureed butternut squash and nectarine. Begin by peeling the nectarine. Cut the nectarine around the pit, then set aside. After water comes to a boil, pour in the butternut squash and the nectarine at the same time. Boil until soft. Set aside about 2 scoops of the water from the pot. Then strain. Next, blend all of the ingredients together until it's pureed. Pour into 2-ounce containers to cool. This is how you make pureed spinach and carrots. After the water comes to a boil, pour in the carrots. Boil until soft. Then add about a handful of spinach. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Set aside about 2 scoops of the water from the pot. Then strain. Next, blend all of the ingredients together until it's pureed. Pour into 2-ounce containers to cool. This is how you make pureed white sweet potato. Begin by peeling the sweet potato. Then slice the sweet potato and cut into squares. After water is brought to a boil, pour in the sweet potatoes. Boil until soft. Then strain. Pour about 1/4 cup of almond milk. Blend the sweet potato and the almond milk until it's pureed. Then scoop into 2-ounce containers and cool. I like to label my containers with a dry erase marker, marking the date and the ingredients. And that's how you make homemade baby food.